Hey there, the display on your e-bike is more than just a screen, it's the command center for your entire ride. While many brands treat it as an afterthought, Velotric is focused on creating a premium experience. So maybe you're considering a Velotric e-bike, or you just ordered yours and you're still waiting for it to come in, and you want to get a head start on its controls. Today we'll walk through the features, visibility, and its customization. The top button is to turn the display on. You press and hold. Then you have your left arrow, your right arrow, that's your menu button, and then you have the up arrow and the down. And that's how you navigate on the screen, left and right, up and down. You also have a USB port way underneath there. A lot of people miss that location, but that's the USB port underneath. That button is the back button. So if you're in a menu, you want to go back, you hit the back button. And so we press and hold the on button and it turns the screen on. And here's all your information, battery level. Along the bottom there is your information for your trip. You can cycle through that using the menu button, and it will scroll through your total miles, your trip time, your trip distance, all that kind of data. And then the up and down arrow controls your pedal assist mode and level. So it's 1 through 5, and you can scroll through those with just the up and down arrow buttons. And if you press and hold the menu button, it'll take you into the actual menu. And the first option is speed limit. You can adjust the top speed of your bike. Next is the sensor switch. You can set it to cadence or torque mode. Not going into great details on each function. I just want to go over the display today. The next option is you can clear your trip data. Then you hit the back button, go back to the main screen. Then screen brightness, you can adjust that here. And these adjustments are done with your left and right buttons, side to side buttons to adjust the brightness. And then you hit M to save, or just the back arrow if you don't want to change anything, the back button. Next is riding mode. I always ride in trail, but you can change it to boost or eco. Hit M to save. Then the rear light mode. You've got 3 different modes for your tail light. It can flash, it can be steady on, and this is where you change your rear light mode. Next is your auto headlight. It will come on when it gets dark. So you can have it on auto, or you can just have it on, or have the auto light off, and you can do it manually by pressing and holding the up arrow. This is the auto power off. I have mine set it to 10 minutes, but the bike will turn off if you're not using it. And this is where you make that setting. The next is throttle limit. The throttle limit, if it's off, it will go 28 miles an hour. If it's on, the throttle will only go as fast as the speed level that you're currently in. Next is cruise control. You can have that on or off, and while you're riding, if you press and hold the back button, it will activate cruise control. This is where you connect your app to the display. Scan that code. Next, to Find My. If you have an iPhone, you can add this to your iPhone under Find My, and you can find your lost bike or stolen bike. This is where you can set it to metric or imperial. and then some version information on your control, battery, display. Gives you some information on where you're at on your display. That's just a quick overview of the display panel on your Velotric eBike. Oh, and I almost forgot the headlight. If you press and hold the up key, it will activate the headlight, and you can see that icon under where it says trail. Well, there you go, a quick walkthrough of the display on your Velotric eBike. Hopefully it's been a help. They've got some pretty good documentation on their website that's much slower, and you can go at your pace. They might even have some step-through videos or how-tos, but the manual is real helpful, very detailed, so you might want to check out their website under support. But today was just a quick walkthrough, kind of hands-on, just show you what it's like to kind of breeze through it. Hopefully the video has been a help. If it has been, leave a like and a subscribe, and I would appreciate it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.